Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you a recipe of a cream mask and a serum for your face that you can make yourself. But before we start, I want to share with you some of my personal experience regarding modern cosmetical products that are used for the skin care. This information is purely based on my experience. Just want to make sure you understand that. So, our skin is the biggest protective organ of our body. It gives us information about touch, pain, and temperature. It protects our body from external factors such as microorganisms, pollution, and ultraviolet rays. It might store water and nutrients. It takes part in the excretion processes of metabolic byproducts and regulates our body temperature. Moreover, it can indicate the changes in the internal processes of our body. The market provides us with so many different cosmetical products nowadays, and it is very easy to get lost in all those substances and make sure you choose the right ones for your skin. I want to relieve your worries and tell you that it's very unnecessary to use all the different products that were made for us to use. Out of enormous amount of foams, gels, creams, serums, and sprays, it is most likely you just need a minimal set of products. Many serums have the same set of substances as the creams in the same line, just their texture and the size of the bottle is a bit different. So, why am I telling you all of this? Now, our skin is a very smart organ to self-regenerate itself and, moreover, self-regulate its level of hydration and nutrition, as well as create the protective layer on its surface. So there is no need to buy the whole line of products, then being worried about trying to replace them because your skin just got used to them. Your skin will need just a minimal amount of hydration and nutrition if you eliminate harsh substances such as soap, alcohol, and harsh exfoliators. When you apply different face products to your skin, you stop the processes of self-regeneration. Thick substances that are supposed to hydrate our skin just accumulate water on its surface and therefore dehydrate the deeper tissues. They also create film on the surface of your skin, which stops skin from breathing and restoring processes slow down. And with time, you will just need more and more products. Now, I'm not asking you to stop using all of your products at once. I'm just telling you that the set of your products should be minimal, in order not to overload your skin and let it function naturally. From my personal experience as a cosmetologist, people who have the best skin rarely use face creams and only to protect their skin from cold in winter and sun rays in summer. I personally don't use any cleansers such as foams or gels. I just wash my face with water and then remove excessive makeup with the oil and use green tea or floral water as a toner. I almost never use night creams and never leave them on overnight. I let them absorb and then remove excessive face cream with a wet cotton pad. And in the morning, my skin looks fresh and nourished. You can try to experiment and stop using your night cream. You will see how your skin tone will get more even and your pores will shrink. Your skin will look fresh and rested in the morning. So I dare you to try this experiment and comment below about your experience. And now I want to share with you the 2 recipes that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And we are going to start off with a cream mask. So for the first product, you are going to need 1 teaspoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of your favorite essential oil. Start off by melting your beeswax and melting your butter, then mix them together and keep stirring. While stirring, add warm olive oil and your essential oil. Keep stirring till you get the even consistency. Then add some of your favorite warm floral water and mix it till it gets thick. You will have to mix it for a while till it gets to even consistency. As I said, it takes a while. Maybe you can speed up this process somehow? So why does it take so long to mix it together? It's because it has to cool down while being mixed together. Otherwise, if you just place the warm cream into your fridge, it will get separated into oil and water. So here's what we got as a result. It will nourish and hydrate normal to dry skin. If you want to use it for oily skin, you should replace floral water with fresh orange or lemon juice. This product we are going to use as a face cream mask. Apply it for half an hour, then rinse it off with a cotton pad and apply your favorite toner or floral water. As I have already said previously, overnight our skin should be breathing, and therefore don't leave this face mask overnight. Next off, we are going to make a face serum. It's a very smooth and hydrating substance for any skin type. You're going to need half a teaspoon of gelatin, add 2 tablespoons of mineral water to it, and leave it for half an hour. After the gelatin got dissolved, add 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Then warm up the liquid and mix it all together. After that, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. You can either make it yourself or buy it. Add it to your gelatin and butter and mix it all together. You should be mixing it very actively for a while to make sure that the consistency is even. And pour it in a bottle. This is what you got as a result. You can apply it everywhere on your body, not only your face. But before going to bed, it's important to wash off any excess of this product in order for your skin to breathe normally and restore itself. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And click the bell to be updated about our newest video.